Ribosomes, first isolated from cell cytoplasm by Claude in 1943 AD, were named as microsomes. These were reported in plant cell by Robinson and Brown, and these were called ribosomes by G. Palade in 1955 AD. The ribosomes are the smallest known electron microscopic submicroscopic ribonucleoprotein particles, attached either on RER or floating freely in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are sites of protein synthesis, found in both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes except mature sperm and RBC. In the prokaryotes, these are present only in free form in the cytoplasm. In eukaryotes, the ribosomes are found in two forms in the cytoplasm: cytoplasmic ribosomes, free form and bound form. Bound form on RER and outer nuclear membrane. Ribosomes inside some cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids called organellar ribosomes, respectively called mitoribosomes and plastidoribosomes. The number of ribosomes depend upon the RNA contents of the cell. These are more in plasma cells, liver cells, Nissus granules of nerve cells, meristematic cells, cancer cells, and endocrine cells, etc. On the basis of sedimentation coefficient, ribosomes are of two types: number 1 70S ribosomes and number 2 80S ribosomes. 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes difference. 70S ribosomes are found in the prokaryotes and mitochondria and plastids of eukaryotes. 80S ribosomes are found in cytoplasm of eukaryotes. 70S ribosomes each is about 200 to 90 angstrom into 170 to 210 angstrom in size and 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 daltons in molecular weight. 1 dalton is equal to 1.65 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. In 80S ribosome, each is about 300 to 340 angstrom into 200 to 240 angstrom in size and 4.5 into 5.0 into 10 to the power 6 daltons. Their 70S ribosomes sedimentation coefficient is 70S and 80S ribosomes sedimentation coefficient is 80S. 70S ribosomes, two subunits are larger 50S and smaller 30S. 80S ribosomes, two subunits are larger 60S plus smaller 40S. Larger subunits of is dome shaped and is attached by to endoplasmic reticulum by glycoproteins called ribophorines. It also has two binding sites. Number 1 peptidal or P or donor site and number 2 amino acyl or A or acceptor site. These sites are the attachment of charge transfer RNA. A smaller subunit is ellipsoidal and fits as a cap on flat side of larger subunits. It has binding site for messenger RNA. Ribosomes is not covered by any membrane, so it is called naked organelle. It is called subcellular organelle. Ribosome is chemically called ribonucleoprotein RNP particles. Each ribosome is formed of rRNA and proteins. 70S ribosome has 60 to 65% rRNA and 35 to 40% proteins, while in 80S ribosomes has 45% RNA and 5% proteins. 70S ribosomes rRNAs are of three types: 23S type and 5S type of RNA in 50S and 16S type rRNA in 30S subunit, while rRNAs are of four types in 80S ribosomes: 28S, 5S and 5.8S types of rRNA in 60S and 18S type rRNA in 40S subunits. ये ध्यान देंगे. About 55 types of proteins and 70S in 70S ribosomes, while about 70 types of proteins in 80S ribosomes. In 70S ribosomes, out of which 21 proteins are found in 30S, while 34 proteins are found in 50S ribosomal subunits and are called core proteins. In 80S ribosomes, out of which 30 proteins are found in 40S, while 40 proteins are found in 60S ribosomal subunits. James A. Lake gave the ultrastructure of two subunits of ribosomes. The larger subunit has a broad base, a stalk, ridge, and a protuberance, while a smaller subunit has a base, platform, cleft, and head. Two subunits are joined at the time of protein synthesis. When many ribosomes are attached on same messenger RNA strand, it is called polysome or polyribosomes. Polyribosome is formed when a number of similar type of proteins are required. The number of ribosomes attached on messenger RNA depend upon the length of messenger RNA. The distance between adjacent ribosome is of 90 nucleotides. Association and dissociation of ribosomal subunit depends upon Mg2 plus concentration. Polyribosome या polysome is formed when a number of similar types of proteins are required. Ribosome functions. Ribosomes are called protein factories or engines of the cell because these are the sites of protein synthesis. Free ribosomes produce non-secretory proteins, that is enzymes for intracellular use. Bound ribosomes or RER synthesize secretory proteins, that is enzymes for extracellular use, that is pancreatic cells, liver cells, plasma cells, antibodies, etc. Okay, thank you.